Hello and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add shadows to text. Let's start with the first text. To add a shadow, we click on this FX icon. Here we have a wide range of options, but today we are only covering shadows, so we click on outer shadow. Now we have many options. I will move the window to the side to make more room. Here we can change the radius of the shadow. Everything we go through here you will have to adjust for your own design. Here we can change the offset. Usually these two settings are enough. And with the angle, everything is usually perfect. But of course, we will go through all the options. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Here you can also enter a specific angle. And if you click on the offset tool, you can adjust the angle of your object more precisely. Here you can change the intensity. And here the opacity. And of course, we can also choose a different blend mode. Here you can change the color. And when you are satisfied, you can also copy this effect and paste it onto other text or objects. Simply right-click, select copy, then select your object, and at the top under edit you find the paste option, where we select effect. This shadow effect works well for large text, but we need to adjust it for smaller text. Once we are satisfied, we can use another method of copy-paste effect. To do this, simply drag and drop the FX symbol onto the object you want. Of course, we can also edit all text at the same time. When we reduce the size of the text, we will notice that the shadow shifts. To avoid this, we click on the FX symbol and make sure that we enable Scale with Object. We can also multiply the shadow effect for a strong effect or for a specific design layout. To do this, simply click on the plus symbol. Thank you for watching this video.